Okay, I'm going to clear the line of air. And I'll show you what I have to do that first. Take off this turbo. We have to take off this turbo. Let's see what we got here. Okay, take that off. It's a quick disconnect, pull it back, pull that out. Then get all the water out of this thing. I mean all the air out of it, not water. See? There was a big pocket of air in there, do you see that? Yeah, I think we're good. So we'll put the turbocharger back on, turbo washer. Pull this quick disconnect back, plug that in, let it go forward.